Damn, I sounded mad. Hey everyone, so today I'm doing the Latina / Dominican tag. If you have already been subscribed to me, then you know I already did one of these videos, but I feel like that video is so cringy, and I feel like now I definitely am more into my culture, and just I'm more Dominican now, more than ever. So I just felt like I should redo this video, show my new subscribers like, hey, this is me. So if you guys didn't already know, even though I mentioned it earlier, I am Dominican. Both of my parents were born there. I was born here though, but I'm still Dominican, so you already know. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Emily. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. But before we get started with this video, I just wanted to mention my Instagram. If you don't already follow me, go follow my Instagram. I post every day on it. My stories are always active. Go check it out. You know, I be posting some cute fits or whatever. Also, I have tons of other links, discount codes in the description box. Who doesn't want to save money? So go down there, let me know, follow me on my social medias. I think we should get started with this video. So the first question is where are you from? And I already answered this. So both of my parents are from the Dominican Republic and I was born here. So the second question is, do you speak Spanish? Dime, ¿cómo que no? ¿Cómo no voy a hablar en español? Soy dominicana, ¿sabes cómo es? Damn, I sounded mad. Pero sí, hablo español. Also, if I speak any part in Spanish, I'm going to translate it in English so my English speakers can understand what I'm saying. Next question is when was the last time you visited? So the last time I visited was August. It was the end of August. I only went for a week this time. I was a little sad about that because my trip went right away. But, you know, it happens. Next question is, if you ever visited your country, what is your favorite place to visit? This is pretty difficult because I'm from Santiago, so Santiagueros, hey. Because usually when I go over there, like, I'm usually just doing, like, things with family or like I go out to like clubs. But when I do leave Santiago, I would say going to the Lifestyle Resort. This is not sponsored by them, but I really love going there and it's just really nice and beautiful. Next question is have you ever visited the capital of your country? And yes, I have. I've been to Santo Domingo. Then now we're coming in like with the more like Dominican questions. So the first one is what's your favorite Dominican dish? And this is still like the hardest question for me, but I'm gonna go with Dominican sushi, which I know is technically not like traditional Dominican food, but I love it so much. Like the amount of things they put in there is amazing. My favorite place in NYC to go is to Mama Sushi. It is amazing, I swear, like hands down. My favorite one is the Mama Sushi roll, which is like chicken, bacon, cream cheese, plátano maduro, and I think that's it. But it's so good. They have tons of rolls there. Like it's just amazing. I also love fritura, but that's not another like technically traditional Dominican food, but like you guys know what it is, like carne asada, salchicha, longaniza, like all that. I love it. Love fried food. Plátano, maduro, totones, all that. And then the second one is what is your favorite Dominican dessert? So I don't really have a favorite Dominican dessert. I'm gonna have to go with two favorite desserts, which is gonna be habichuela con dulce. If you don't know what that is, I'll insert a picture. It's really good, but like I swear it tastes really good, especially with like the little cookies, like yum. And then the other thing is gonna be dulce de leche, but like in like the little tablitas. I'm gonna insert another picture, but really good. My favorite desserts. Then the next question is, do your parents or grandparents have plastic over their sofas? And my grandma does, back in the campo in DR, so you already know. The next question is, what item in your household explains where you're from? So my parents are currently in like the moving process, so I really don't have like a household item that I could show you guys, but best believe downstairs we got a guira, we got a tambora, like we got all that. I just can't show it because it's packed. And the next question is, who is your favorite merenguero? And I don't listen to like merengue that much, so I listen to more típico. But if we're talking típico, banda real. Johnny Polanco is good too. Yeah, I listen to típico way more. And then that goes into the next question, which is, do you dance bachata? And yes, I love bachata. I mean, I dance more to típico. Like I kind of prefer more típico. If you didn't see my Dominican Republic summer 2019 vlog, if you did, you saw there was a lot of típico being played. That's just my preference. I still like bachata. I still love Romeo, Aventura. Then the next question is, what haven't you visited in your country that you would like to visit? And for me, that'd be Capcana. It's so beautiful over there. I have not been. You really need to have that guap to go. But I know it's so beautiful. I'm dying to go over there. And hopefully one day I could save enough money to go and we have a lit time. What is your favorite Dominican phrase? Tato, dime, ande el diablo. I love that one. Actually, that might be my favorite because I use it a lot. Money. No, there's just so many that I use so often. Tato, toca, toca, toca. You know what I mean? I don't even know, but those are like the most common ones that I use. And then it says, what music reminds you of your country? And for me, it'd be tembo and típico, like Come on now, like that's just, it's us. Like típico is just a part of us. I'll poner uno de la banda real. That's what it is, guys. Like, just, we lit out here. What is your favorite artist from your country? And I'm just gonna have to go with LYFT. I love LYFT. Like, all his songs, I know all the words too. He can easily put me in a lit mood, like, no doubt. And I love him. And I feel like a lot of people don't expect me to like him, but like, if you really get to know me, you're like, wow, like, yeah, you're too much. Si te han preguntado cuando tu grita se vocea cuando estaba hablando normal. Bueno, señores, esta pregunta es la pregunta que yo creo que a mi mamá me preguntan. My friends always, and I say always, are like, shh, lower your voice, like you're mad loud. And that's just me. Like, even in English, like, I'm just always really loud. And like, when it comes to Dominican talking, we have a speed limit and we need to be louder than the other person. So best believe when you're at a family function and it's with all Dominicans, it's gonna be loud as hell. You're just gonna have to deal with it because no one's gonna lower their voice, and we're just really loud. That's just like a part of us. ¿Cuántas veces a la semana tú comes plátano? Bueno, when I'm at home, almost every day. Like, let's start off with this week. This week yo comí plátano como 3 veces. No, mentira, como 5. So I eat it pretty often, but since like I'm always in school, like I don't get to eat it that often. But best believe I'm always craving Dominican food. Yo siempre quiero plátano. Si a mí me gusta el concón, en con qué yo me lo como. I don't really like concón. It's like the burnt part of the rice, like when you finish cooking it. So we call it concón. Puerto Ricans call it pegao. I don't know what other Latin countries call it. Si le has dicho a otra persona, mami, papi, primo, mi amor. The only time I really use those, I mean, mami, papi, mi amor, I don't really use those. More of like for example, like when I'm in DR, like to get a waiter, like yo di que amigo, di que joven. I use like those type of terms, or like with my friends, I don't really use any of that. It's more of a just like when I'm in DR and like I'm just trying to get somebody's attention who I don't know their name. So that is the Latina Dominican tag from me. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got to see how much of a Dominican I am, because girl, I was throwing them phrases out there. So hope you guys enjoyed. But if you did enjoy this video, go give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and go watch more of my videos. Comment down below if you're Dominican or if you're a Latino or Latino, what country you're from. If you're not from any, just comment down below if you've been to the DR. Also, don't forget to follow all my social medias, all the discount codes I have down in the description box, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!